Hello guys, this is Awesome Clement. This is now part 3 and final of MotoGP 3. So last time I did part 1 is this one, part 2 of that one. So now this is the part 3 final of Fur Island, Australia. And I would choose a different one this time. Or maybe if I choose the same one. I'll just choose the same one this time. Or maybe I can choose a different one, maybe. Okay. I will choose the Yoasa 500, or maybe if I can choose the that one, Yosi R500, the Yamaha motorcycle. I really like this motorcycle so much because I really like Yamaha, even along with Kawasaki or Suzuki or Honda motorcycle. So maybe if I like motorcycles, I might try to think about what motorcycles do they have. So here's the Fur Island, Victoria, Australia. Slow down because there's a corner ahead. I'm going really fast. I'm in third place, which is really not bad. So guys, I came in third place, which is actually really not bad. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and I might make another video like playing the game on this, like Gran Turismo 5 or even the Switch Sports. So thanks for watching and goodbye.